Hi Pag-ibig Team, this is Camille at ako po ang reporter ngayong hapon dito sa Calamba. So, to give you an update sa mga kaganapan ngayong hapon dito, as of now, ang standing po ng July 2 endorsement namin is meron po kaming 8 cured accounts, 16 partial payments, 2 performing loan, and 25 accounts without pay. While dun sa August 18 endorsement naman po namin, meron po kami as of today na 9 cured, 17 partial payments, and 8 performing loan. At update lang din namin kayo na sa araw na to, nagkaroon po kami ng 8 payments. 7 doon ay partial payment at yung isa naman ay cured, with a total collection of 126,000 pesos. And there you have it, guys. Again, this is Camille Paris reporting.